In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your display character in reverse 1999. The first thing that I want you to do is to head inside the game, and as you can see here, this is the display character that I am using. So how to change it? You just need to click this menu icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you will notice the switch button. Click this switch button, and here you will see all the available display character that you can switch to. For example, I'll switch to Sonato. Just click the switch button, and there you go. We just changed the display character in our game. So let's change it again. Click the menu icon, then click the switch button, then select the character that you want to switch with. Just click the switch button again, and as you can see, that's how you can change your display character in reverse 1999. And thank you for listening.